In the vast and intricate tapestry of the natural world, few creatures command such a potent mixture of fear and fascination as the snake. These are animals of extraordinary adaptation, masters of survival, who have conquered nearly every environment on our planet. Today we're counting down the 10 most dangerous snakes in the world. This is not a journey into fear but rather one of understanding. To appreciate these remarkable animals is to comprehend their power, their role in the ecosystem. We will journey from the sun-scorched deserts of Australia to the dense jungles of Asia and the Americas, to meet the serpents whose reputations precede them. Our journey begins in the remote, sun-baked clay pans of Central East Australia. It is here we find our number 10, a creature of almost mythical lethality, the inland taipan. Often called the fierce snake, its temperament is paradoxically shy and reclusive. It prefers to retreat from trouble rather than confront it. However, the reason it commands such profound respect lies within its veins. Imagine a venom so potent a single bite carries enough to kill 100 adult humans, or 250,000 mice. Neurotoxins, hemotoxins, myotoxins, nephrotoxins, attacking nerves, blood, muscle, and kidneys. Encounters are extraordinarily rare. Most bites involve handlers. The taipan is a specialist of the outback. We move from the remote outback to the more populated eastern coast, the home of our number 9, the eastern brown snake. This snake is responsible for more snakebite fatalities in Australia than any other. Its danger lies not just in potent venom, but in its proximity to humans and a nervous temperament. When startled, it adopts an S-shaped defensive posture, incredibly fast, capable of lightning strikes. Its venom is rich in procoagulants that cause catastrophic clotting, leading to strokes, heart attacks, and kidney failure. Bites can be painless and hard to detect. Victims may collapse before realizing they were bitten. Ironically, they control rodents attracted by our waste, drawing them into close contact with people. We travel to the savannas and rocky hills of sub-Saharan Africa, domain of the black mamba, not named for its skin, but the inky black inside of its mouth, a terrifying warning. It can reach up to 14 feet, but it is its speed that fuels its legend. Over short distances it can move faster than you expect, used mainly for escape but devastating if cornered. A threatened mamba may bite repeatedly, injecting large volumes of fast-acting neurotoxic venom. Symptoms progress quickly: tingling, drooping eyelids, slurred speech and paralysis. Respiratory failure can follow. Once almost universally fatal before antivenom, still deadly in remote regions. Our journey takes us to the forests and plains of India and Southeast Asia to meet a true monarch. This is the king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. It can raise up to a third of its body and stand as tall as a human, a display of intimidation. Not the most toxic cobra, but able to inject huge volumes, up to 7 milliliters, enough to kill an elephant or many humans. Ophiophagous and surprisingly intelligent, it hunts other snakes and even builds and guards a nest. Reluctant to bite humans in many cases, but its size and venom make it one of nature's most formidable reptiles. Back to southern Australia and its coastal islands, home of the tiger snake, number 6 on our list. Named for its yellow and black bands, though patterns vary, a generalist of wetlands, grasslands, and coastal zones, often encountered in long grass or near water, its defensive display is dramatic. It flattens its neck, hisses, and strikes with precision. Its venom is a potent blend: neurotoxins, coagulants, and myotoxins, causing pain, numbness, breathing difficulty, and paralysis. Myotoxins can cause rhabdomyolysis and kidney damage, historically high mortality before antivenom. Across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia lives a snake responsible for more human fatalities than any other: Russell's viper. A member of India's Big Four, it causes the overwhelming majority of significant bites. Its bite is intensely painful. The venom is primarily hemotoxic, causing catastrophic coagulation disorders. The blood forms microclots, while patients paradoxically bleed from gums, nose, and wounds. Acute kidney failure often follows. A master of camouflage, sluggish and ambush-oriented, farmers often step near it. Villages provide ideal hunting grounds. Survivors may suffer permanent organ damage. The viper demonstrates how ecology and human activity combine to create tragedy. Number 4. The saw-scaled viper. Tiny but deadly, across Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent. Often less than 2 feet long, yet considered one of the most dangerous snakes. It produces a loud rasping sound by rubbing keeled scales together, a distinctive warning. It arranges S-shaped coils and launches lightning-fast strikes eager to bite defensively. A potent hemotoxin. It disrupts clotting and causes systemic hemorrhage. Victims can bleed from orifices and organs. Even with antivenom, complications and long-term issues are common. Its success is linked to adaptability and proximity to people. Number 3. The boomslang. We climb into the trees of sub-Saharan Africa, a slender, brilliantly colored tree snake, exceptionally shy, almost always fleeing humans. It is rear-fanged. To envenomate large targets it must chew, working venom into the wound. Serious bites are rare, but when they occur the consequences are catastrophic. The venom dismantles clotting slowly. The tragic case of herpetologist Carl Schmidt is a stark warning. Delayed symptoms can be fatal within 24 hours. Beautiful, silent, and deadly. The boomslang shows danger doesn't always announce itself. Number 2. The fer-de-lance, spearhead of the jungle. The Tertiopelo, or Bothrops asper, is notorious for aggression and severe bites across Central and South America. A master ambush predator, perfectly camouflaged, equipped with heat-sensing pits for pinpoint strikes. When it strikes, it injects a large quantity of destructive venom. The venom is powerfully hemotoxic and necrotoxic. It dissolves tissue, causes massive internal bleeding and swelling. Common in plantations and farmland, its proximity to workers makes it a leading cause of severe bites. Survivors may need amputation. Number 1. The Philippine cobra, the spitting marksman. Not the largest cobra, but deadly for its venom efficiency and unique delivery system. It forcefully ejects venom in a stream, accurate to about 3 meters, and often aims for the eyes. Venom in the eyes causes immediate pain and swelling. Without prompt washing, permanent blindness can result. If it bites, the venom is a potent neurotoxin. Rapid paralysis, nausea, dizziness, and respiratory failure can follow in minutes. Death from respiratory failure can occur in as little as 30 minutes. Speed and distance make this snake uniquely dangerous. Our journey through these 10 remarkable serpents comes to an end. This list is not intended to incite fear but to foster respect. When in the wild, be aware of your surroundings and give snakes space. If bitten, seek immediate professional medical attention. Time is the critical factor in survival. Venoms are terrifying but complex biological marvels. They have also gifted us with life-saving medicines. They are not monsters but vital components of ecosystems. Study, respect, and protect them. If you found this journey fascinating, subscribe for more explorations into the wild heart of our world. Thank you for watching. Remember to always treat wildlife with the respect and distance it deserves.